Addison's disease. Introduction. Cortisol allows your body to deal with severe physical stress. Select true or false. Correct. Cortisol allows your body to deal with severe physical stress, such as stress created by surgery, illness, and injury, or childbirth. Addison's disease can develop when your adrenal glands are damaged. Select true or false. Correct. Lucy has been feeling very weak over the past few months. She has lost weight and body hair. Her skin has darkened. Today, Lucy has a high fever and she has been vomiting. What should she do? Choose one of the following options. 1. Seek medical care right away. 2. Stay at home and wait to feel better. Correct. Lucy may be having an adrenal crisis. She needs to seek medical care right away. A life-threatening adrenal crisis may happen if you don't take your medication every day. Select true or false. Correct. Keep a supply of extra medication at work and in your carry-on bag when you travel. That way you will always have some available if you need it. Thank you for using Explain.